The SPORIT 11'6" fishing paddleboard is designed with two versatile fishing mounts, offering an enhanced fishing experience by allowing easy equipment installation. Equipped with a kayak seat and dual-blade paddle, this paddleboard can be converted into a kayak, providing flexibility whether you want to stand or sit while on the water. With its 35-inch ultra-wide design, the SPORIT inflatable paddleboard ensures stability and balance, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned paddlers. The paddleboard features a dual-action pump and high-end valve for easy inflation and deflation, allowing you to be ready for water adventures in minutes. It comes as a complete kit with all necessary accessories like a safety leash, adjustable paddle, waterproof bag, and more, ensuring you are well prepared for any outing. SPORIT offers excellent customer service with a dedicated support team available 24 hours to assist with any queries or issues you might encounter.